Ramu. Ramu, open it. Aram se. Just rip this off. Okay, I have you. Oh, from one side. Yes, yeah. Pull this. Pull this from this corner. Yes, pull this. Yes. Good boy. See? Rip this off. Oh. Wow. Nadia, help him to open this present. Ahmed Bilal. Just. Wow. Can you show me, please?
I choose this one. I choose this one.
Wow. What is this?
I thought Emma would like this one.
Arif, Ibrahim.
You do like this one. Then have what does this have? I don't think this.
Wow.
It's not good. Look. I got the biggest one that tile world. You might. What does he have?
You're not strong. Haha. Okay, guys, I help you out. You hold this phone for me, please.
Guys, help me open this.
Okay, you first help Ahmed. You first help Ahmed. Hashim to open this one. Yeah, pull it.
Not yet.
It's so hard. Oh, get scissors.
Okay, guys, time to put
Oh! Okay, let me open this for you. You hold this camera.
I like this one.
Come from the other side. Come from the other side. And hold it like this, okay? Ali, Aji. Aji, give me.
Let's play with them.
You don't know how to open it.
Can we open the thing?
See, it's too easy.
It's too difficult.
Too hard. Too difficult. Oh, finally! Show me!
Hello guys!
Here, one minute, please. Here, one minute.
Hey guys, look at that! I'm going branding. Wow!
Gracias, man. Bullets, gun.
Give me ball. What do you got? What do you got?